Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to give you tips to make extra income coming 2026. So guys, stay tuned, watch this video until there. If you are new on my channel or seeing my video for the first time or even coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Cynthia, and on this channel I teach how to make money online and I give step-by-step tutorials. So what you can do is to subscribe to this channel and also like the video, and remember to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I'll be uploading any new video you won't miss any audio because they are all important. Okay, so let's get into the video. What I want to talk about is MEC token. So I know some of you've heard of it and some of you have never heard of MEC token. So the only way you can get MEC token is on MEPAS app. So MEPAS app, it's like an crypto exchange wallet or crypto exchange app whereby you can purchase, you can sell, because they have their own P2P market. P2P market, according to cryptocurrency, is where you can be able to sell and buy your tokens or coins from different people in different parts of the world. Okay, so watch this video for you to know what exactly to do, how to register, how to verify your account, and even how to do P2P, or how you can buy the token itself. Okay, so the first thing first, in order to register on MEPAS app, or in order for you to get started on MEPAS app, you will need a link that will directly take you to MEPAS app itself. Okay, so I'm gonna put the link on the description of this video, comment section or description of this video. You will be able to get the link and tap on that link to download the MEPAS app. Then from there, register or create account. I'm gonna show you the procedure of how to do that. Then you will need to do KYC. KYC is know your customer. You know, for them to know that you are real and you are human being, not a robot, you have to upload one of the documents. You have to use your driver license. If you don't have driver license, you can use government ID or government identification card in full, or you can also use your own passport. So from these three you can choose one to use. Okay, so after you've done that, you will be able to submit it. After submitting it, that is after you follow the procedure, because there is a criteria that you have to follow. You have to submit the front and back of the identification card. Okay, and after that, the customer care will take 24 hours or 6 hours or even less than that to review your document. Once it has passed the required once it has passed verification, that is, you will be able to get notification from the system that your ID or your document has been approved. So now you are a full member of MEPAS app and you can start doing or trading, or you can even grab one free MEC token for yourself. Okay, so this is the amazing part about this particular token or this particular app. When you first register for an account and after you submitted your documents for verification and you pass the verification, they will give you free MEC token, which is $6.7 as I speak now. And here comes the important thing that made me to share this video with you guys, is that MEC token, beginning of early this year 2025, MEC token was 0.1 cents or 10, it was 10 cents or $0.10. Imagine. And right now 1 MEC dollar is $6.7. So for people who purchased it when it was 0.1, they have made a lot of profit from it. And you can claim the free one MEC tokens once your account is approved, and at the same time you'll be able to get daily signing reward, and at the same time you can bring in your friends to get 0.1 MEC token. Done withdrawals myself. I've done videos, several videos, if not 6 then there are 5, when I'm doing live withdrawals on MEPAS app. So if you want to see examples, I'll link the videos here. And at the same time, I've done full tutorial on how to register, how to upload the document and everything on this same channel. So I'm gonna link the video here. You can always go watch this video to learn how to do everything. Okay, yeah, so it's so important, guys. You can purchase, yes, you heard me right, you can purchase MEC token right now and wait for 3 months, then sell it. Guys, believe me not, you'll make profit, because around 3 months ago MEC token was dollars, and right now it has increased with $3 profit. Okay, so guys, why not join MEPAS app and make some extra cash? So I think I've come to an end of this video, and I just want to share with you this and to say thank you guys for watching my video. God bless you all. Have a fantastic year. Happy New Year in advance, everyone. God bless you all, and thank you so much, guys, for always supporting this channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, guys. More videos coming soon. In 2026, we're gonna do things different. Okay, so I've started sharing videos we are showing my face. Before last year I promised to start 2025 showing my face and showing you everything, guys, but then I did few videos, then most of them were faceless. Okay, so this coming year I'm going to do face videos, like I'm gonna show my face. Okay, so I've just started, and I'm so happy that God has given us another opportunity to see another year, or even to reach the end of this year 2025. Most of people didn't see this day, but by the grace of Almighty God, we are here today. So guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, also share with friends who would wish to learn on how to make money online. Thank you so much, guys.